Hey there and welcome to our channel, Relationship Updates, where we talk about relationships, love, and everything in between. In today's video, we're going to be talking about something that is crucial for any relationship to succeed: the 5 love languages. The concept of love languages was first introduced by Dr. Gary Chapman in his book, The 5 Love Languages: The Secret to Love That Lasts. According to Dr. Chapman, we all have a unique way of expressing and receiving love, and understanding our partner's love language can help improve communication, strengthen our connection, and build a happier, healthier relationship. So, what are the 5 love languages? The first one is words of affirmation. This love language is all about expressing love and appreciation through words. If your partner's love language is words of affirmation, then they feel loved when you compliment them, express your gratitude, or show your support through your words. The second love language is acts of service. This love language is all about doing things for your partner that make their life easier. If your partner's love language is acts of service, then they feel loved when you do the dishes, take out the trash, or help them with their work. The third love language is receiving gifts. This love language is all about the thoughtfulness and effort put into the gifts, not necessarily the monetary value. If your partner's love language is receiving gifts, then they feel loved when you surprise them with small tokens of affection. The fourth love language is quality time. This love language is all about spending undivided attention and time with your partner. If your partner's love language is quality time, then they feel loved when you plan date nights, take long walks together, or simply sit and talk with them. The fifth and final love language is physical touch. This love language is all about physical closeness and intimacy. If your partner's love language is physical touch, then they feel loved when you hold hands, hug them, or simply touch them. So, how can you use this knowledge to improve your relationship? First, take the love language quiz with your partner to determine your primary love languages. Then, make a conscious effort to speak your partner's love language more often, and ask them to do the same for you. For example, if your partner's love language is quality time, plan a romantic getaway or a weekend trip to spend time together. If your partner's love language is words of affirmation, make it a point to tell them how much you love and appreciate them every day. Remember, the key to a successful relationship is communication and understanding. By understanding and speaking your partner's love language, you can create a deeper, more meaningful connection that will last a lifetime. We hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And if you haven't already, make sure to subscribe to our channel for more tips and advice on love, relationships,